Good morning, on and all present here. I'm Nandini D. I'm working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, I'm going to take a topic on introduction to survival analysis. Let us first see what is the survival analysis before seeing the objective. So, survival analysis is nothing but it is one statistical method which is used to study an event of interested occurrences. So that event could be like anything, someone's death or failure of some missions or recovery of some diseases or how the rephases or relapse of an illness. So these are the things we are going to focus in this survival analysis. In it, how we can say is in what situation, what are the event has been happened, or what subject of study that gets ends. How the survival analysis can be some incomplete information are being given. So some of the key points we can say in this survival analysis. What is the key points means? First one, what is the purpose of it? So purpose comes under like uh, nothing have an event. That means the probability of surviving, it may or may not be. This is one thing. Second one is main output, that is survival function. That means this shows the probability of surviving the past time or the present time. Next is a common models. That means Kaplan model, that means estimates the survival property over. We can see some examples with the hospital. So now we are going inside an objective. So first one is we should understand the key concept, interpret survival curves, apply the statistical models, develop a real world insights. To see this, we are first going for an phase known as an empathize phase. So in this empathize phase, a doctor whose name is Meera, she is an oncologist, a multi-specialist hospital. So she must know her to know the illness or how they need to survive it. For that, she has some long treatment, how it is work, what are my chance of survival. She need to empathize this problem here. So next one is problem statement. So the doctor checks the patient's healthcare and what are the suggestions he provides, what are the predictions or survival time that the patient have, or how he can recover from his illness, how these heart diseases are being common. So like this, she is analyzing and she is reading that problem. Next one is pain points. In this healthcare streams, there are many hidden facts. To overcome that, she is saying first one is how to communicate these difficulties. Next one, limit the data usages and uncertain patient outcomes. So first one is at analyzing this phase, he must know how this healthcare provides a unpredictable result. It may be a positive result or it may be a negative result. Next one is limited data usage. That means history of the patient has been viewed again and again to understand what type of illness he is suffered from. Next is communication difficulty. That means prognosis, communication lacks, and the confidence. What are it comes from? That and all it has been going to say. Next one is how it is defined. So, a patient and a doctor need a data driven way. That means at what time this occurs, what are the outcome will be there, at what how it gets relapse, what are the treatment we are going to plan for him, how we can communicate to him. To know these things, we are defining this problem with this gynecologist. Next one is a possible solution. So we have some of the possible solution. First one is accelerate the failure time. It says what are the hazards and how many time it takes for this model. Second one is machine learning for survival analysis. That means this model says us how complex it is, what are the data patterns we should follow. Third one is visual and decision support dashboards. That means how these models gets interacted easily with the clinics or something else. Next one is integrated with electronic health records. That means automatical data, real-time survival predictions, how it has been done. So we are going into an acceleration failure time models. In this, how difficulty or how speed or how slow this event occurs, we are going to see. Next one. To see this model, we are representing this graph with a time and then survival property. So with this time and survival property, we can predict one ratio and we can find what failure, what are the illness, how to reduce it, etc. There are some types of model. One is exponential AFT model, viable AFT model, long normal AFT model, long logistic AFT model. So with these things, we are clarifying. Thank you so much for the video.